di mokogum. Me no be prep. By the day, come on. Did you day problem? Did you? About a new vlog. Yeah, as you can see, it's 4 o'clock. We made a goat meat and tilapia rice soup. Tianuna. Atreda suya. Ela no periti.
Ebia.
And then atreda suya. You know me. It's a bit share on the other side. Right? Look at your baby girl. Oh, yeah, no word, bro. Mommy, say hi. Hey, I ever do. She's seated in warm water, not hot water. She's seated in warm water. So to have her sit peacefully, quietly in the bath, one has to buy data to engage her. Hey. What we have here? Guys, look at what I am saying. If I talk mommy's matter, you go talk say I for leave am. You see what she has brought? So it means that we should put warm water in for her to sit in. Obet names you you die pan. Obet names you see. She's putting water in. Then so obet you have them. Nature and one so nature man saying so in Bajino yes stop business. Share. Down. Yeah, the first one I couldn't get the 50, I got 42, so I need 8 more. I am now on the second material. It's about 7.5. To me, nobody 15 cities. Okay, you. Temperature they try, but in Tanica soon say 88 here. Until Yanonica crabby wine. Yanonica crabby my. So, guys, I was telling you that we have 2 types. You see, this one, look at the texture of the. Look at the texture of this side. It's different from these 2. So this one is from Accra, and then these 2 they are from Kumasi. These ones are the strongest. So usually what he does is to soak it in water before cutting it. But me, I don't trust their source of water and how long. So I usually bring it mine, and he does it there and then for me. I took my warmer to the warmer doctor and he's done it. Yeah. So we can start the fufu journey. This is going to be a backup anyway. So it's the same day and I want to pound fufu. So I have washed it thoroughly. How? I know how the feeling is, and I know you can relate after watching a recipe and you are bent on trying it there and then. By all means, at all costs, you decide you want to give it a try. On this day, I watched how to make cornstarch. I think from Exhibiting Mommy's Recipes and one Indian channel that I will not call out. So I decided to try my hands on. So I had freshly made some cornmeal. So I mixed a generous amount with water and sifted it. Guys, pardon me with the English. Now, English is not my mate. I think to sift, we sift dry dry things, and then with the wet ones, yeah, anything. What am I doing? I'm straining. How do we use strain and sift? The English teachers, those of you that did phonetics and the likes, please educate me in the comment section. So I am straining it. Yeah, I strained the chaff severally from the meal in my quest to have a perfect and smooth consistency of a corn flour. Oh, yes, it was a journey. I really tried my hands on it. So, after doing all this, I set it aside for it to be completely settled down before I'll get rid of the water. Forgive my poor manners. Welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time here, a warm akwaba to you. On this channel, I make videos on my lifestyle, food, anything that is worth sharing. Yeah, anything that is ethical from my lens, I do share on this platform. I also have another channel on beats. So if you are interested in craft, kindly subscribe to that channel and subscribe to this one too if you love what I do here. Guys, as you can tell, I even switch my light on. I use light. Yeah, I use light to make this video. So I let it sit overnight for fermentation and also to have it settled down. So well, look at it. Yeah, look at how thick it is. A more piece of so I will spread it on the tray and put it under the sun for it to be sun and air dry. I made this recipe on the 8th of September during the rains. So after trying for 3 days, yes, I even covered it to prevent flies from sitting on it, resting on it, doing everything on it. And this is what I was served with at the end of the day. So now, assuming you are me, yes, you watching this video, you are me. After failing here and you succeed in one video and your village people make you forget about that video, you shot that video in AD 74 and you remember the video in 2020, you no go publish them, you go publish them well. So this explains why I sometimes give you backlog videos, but trust me, 2023 everything is going to be fresh. Bye bye. Fine.